Hello, how you doing? Just going to make this really simple tomato and eggs, a kind of shakshuka type of affair, but yeah, really easy, cheap, nice, tasty. Welcome back to How to Cookery. Okay, in the center I've got 2 cups of onions sliced, 4 eggs there you can see, 3 cups of tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. We want them to cook down. Tablespoon of garlic, teaspoon each salt, pepper, cumin and chili powder. A few more bits going to go into this, but let's get moving with this. So I'm using olive oil, but you could use a different oil if you want. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. I'm going to drop the onions in. Above medium heat, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Okay, so we've got those onions on the go. Next up, we're going to add in that tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're going to add our spices. Salt, pepper, chili and cumin powder. I mean, that's what I'm using. You could change that if you want. And let's get those tomatoes in, fresh tomatoes. 5, 6, 7 minutes. Want to really cook them down, like really cook them down. So might take a while. We might get a bit of moisture from them. We'll take a look then. So Axum's mixing the eggs up there, just beat them up. He actually said he needs credits on this video. Is that right?
Yep.
Why is that?
Because I'm mixing the eggs.
Okay, so is it a 50-50 share, this video?
Yes.
All right. So you can see that these tomatoes are really cooked down nicely. You can go even more if you want. Now, optional, I'm going to drop in a few black olives, taking the stones out. Fresh chili also could go in now if you wanted. Very simply, we're going to get our eggs, we're going to drop them in. And we're going to cook this, well, it depends how you like your eggs. I like mine fairly well done. So I'm just going to go for it. Job done, you've done it. It's really, really easy. Delicious stuff. Okay, beautiful. Really, really simple. Now, my son Axum put the parsley on at the end. You could mix it in if you want it, but he put it on at the end, which makes him the winner. You just done the whole thing then, didn't you? Yeah, there you go. Okay, really nice and easy. Kind of shakshuka-y. Some people make shakshuka like that. Some people don't put the broken eggs in. You know, they put whole eggs in. That's it. Delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots
of love.
Thanks, mate. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.